Every beginner wants to fly like a pro on day 1, but most crashes, burn out or waste money. And they don't even realize why. In this video, I am going to share the most common mistakes every FPV beginners make. If you are new to FPV or just bought your first drone, this is the video that can actually save your time, money and frustrations. Let's begin. Starting with mistake number 1, skipping the simulator. This might sound boring, but skipping the simulator is one of the worst things you can do as a beginner. Flying an FPV drone isn't like flying a DJI or a toy drone. It's manual and unforgiving. If you jump straight into flying without simulator practice, you are almost guaranteed to crash and break your drone within minutes. So, what's the solution? Before even buying your first drone, spend at least 10 to 20 hours in free FPV simulator like Feel FPV or FPV Freerider demo. Trust me, you will build muscle memory, learn throttle control and understand how your drone behaves, all without spending a rupee on repairs. Alright, let's move on. Mistake number 2, and this one hurts your pocket the most. Buying cheap components and expensive regrets. We all try to save money while building our first drone, but buying cheap ESCs, motors, flight controllers can lead to mid-air failure, overheating and even burn electronics. It feels like you are saving money, but you actually spend more fixing or replacing damaged parts again and again. So what's the solution? Start with trusted brands even if they cost a little more, like T-Motor, iFlight, Rush FPV or any other. Watch real user reviews, join FPV communities and ask before you buy. Quality components will last longer, perform better and save you money in the long run. Now let's talk about mistake number 3, probably the most common and dangerous one. Flying with loose wires or bad soldering. Most beginners rush through the build and ignore things like a slightly loose wire or an ugly solder joints. But in FPV, even a single loose wire mid-flight can cause your drone fall from the sky like a rock. So what's the solution? After building your drone, always do pre-flight inspection. Tug on each wire gently to check if anything is loose, and if you are not confident in your solders, practice on spare wires or watch tutorials. Clean solder joints makes a huge difference. So there you have it, the 3 biggest mistakes most FPV beginners make and how to avoid them right now. If this video helped you, consider subscribing for most real dollar FPV tips just like this. And tell me in comments, what mistake did you make in your first drone build? This is Aerofuture helping you fly smarter. See you in the next one.